Well, this is nice.
Welcome to this beautiful T1+1 apartment. It is located in Alameda, Formosa, which is an amazing, beautiful building, and it is on the 2nd floor. Let's go inside.
Wow. This is beautiful and modern.
We really like this area. It's so modern and clean and wide boulevards, and it's easy access to the ocean. We're barely at 100 meters here above sea level. This complex has everything from a pool to a big garden, and there's restaurants nearby. Well, one of our favorite things is this big park right here. It goes on and on all the way up the hill, and there's just so much room to walk a dog or just to stroll. There's gardens and shade and beautiful trees. It's nice to have that park-like setting next to your building. This is one of our favorite parks here in Funchal. It is so wide open. It's on a bit of a slant, but it's just an easy meander up. It goes on for quite a ways with some beautiful trees and vegetation. It's a nice place to bring your dog to let him run around, and it's just a little bit of a oasis in the heart of a suburb of Funchal here.
This area is so nice because the sidewalks are really big, and if you're walking a dog or just walking and talking, it's so nice.
They have beautiful grand boulevards here, kind of like Lisbon. It's nice and walkable. Of course, it's Portugal. It's on a bit of a slant, but it leads down to the ocean. It's actually very close by. Exterior is so modern and beautiful. And another thing I really like is, besides the landscaping outside and the wide boulevards and the ease of walking here, is having access to the bus right outside your door. That's so convenient. One of our favorite parts about this area is the access to the ocean just at the end here. It's very close by with a lot of flat space for walking or running, and some people really need that, and we enjoy that as well. It's very well landscaped down here with wide sidewalks. It kind of reminds me of Lisbon in a way, where there's actually room to walk a dog, bike, or to run. And it's just, with all the flowers down now, it's just so beautiful, and it's just easy access to everything here. We really like this area and this complex. Come on, let's go inside and have a look.
This apartment is just under 70 square meters. It's a T1 plus an extra little room, so a +1, that you can easily have a sofa bed in and pull out and use as an office otherwise. It has a beautiful big window, so that's really nice. And you can absolutely have a pull-out bed as well as a little office if that's what you would like to use it for. It's quite nice.
They used high-end bamboo flooring, and you can sure feel the warmth and just the coziness with that added feature. The floors are so nice and they have a nice give to them. It's a real nice added touch. Most of everything that you see here is included in the price.
It's a modern style kitchen with a nice cooktop, really nicely done cupboards, and a really nice big sink for cleaning, as well as a modern dishwasher. It comes with Tekka induction cooktop, which we've really grown to like. Previously, we used to use gas, but we actually now prefer the induction cooktop. I really also like the way that they use space with the drawers coming out, and they all go back so nicely. It's a really, really nicely done kitchen.
One thing I really like here as well is that you have a full-size fridge and freezer, which you don't often have here in Portugal, with modern appliances, all in one nice compact area. Everything you need, stainless steel. They did a really good job here.
It's not a huge apartment, but what I really like about it is there's windows in every room, and it definitely gives you that spacious feeling. It has a little deck out here that overlooks a beautiful garden and pool, and there's a bit of an ocean view, but really you're seeing blue sky and you're getting a lot of daylight all day long.
Here we have the master bedroom. Itself, it has floor to ceiling windows. They open from the top. They have the power shutters that come down, but you're looking out over the green space, beautiful big green space, and the pool. And it's just so nice seeing the blue water and knowing that you have access to that just by walking downstairs one flight.
It's a really large bathroom with a beautiful sink and pull-out drawers, excellent storage, which is really great. And I really love the big shower. It's got a really nice shower space.
And this is the parking. Lots of room. This unit comes with stall number 27 right here. So as soon as you come down the stairs, it's only a 2-story building, this one. Such easy parking. It's clean, and you have a nice parking spot right here, right by the entrance door.
So what do you think?
You know, I really like the location. This is one of our favorite areas here in São Martinho. It has access to everything. There's so many restaurants and ease of walking and parks and ocean. It's about 70 square meters, but if there's only 2 of you, you have room for a big pull-out bed here. You have a beautiful master bedroom and a bathroom. If you're not looking for a lot of space or 2-bedroom, the +1 really helps. What do you think of that?
I like the +1. Not only could it be an office, or if you wanted to do something on your own, you can shut the door. I think you could have a guest in that room, and this living room is big enough also to have a pull-out, which would be okay if you had a guest. But for 2 people, it feels very open and bright, I think because of the big patio doors and just so much greenery outside coming in. I really like it.
One thing people might ask about is the number of balconies that you have facing here. You're in a courtyard here with the pool. I think this is a pretty typical design. The windows are all tinted, so you actually can't see. I'm looking across at the places across the courtyard, and you can't see in right now. Maybe at nighttime you would be able to a bit more. It's just kind of a cozy vibe though. There's so much greenery and landscaping down there. I really like seeing it.
I like the greenery in the garden as well. I think we would have to get used to seeing other people out on their balconies looking back at us. So that is something you'd have to consider. But I think that the area and the location actually makes up for that quite well. The monthly fees, the condo fees or HOA fees, are just under €40. The asking price currently is €325,000.
What do you think about the cost at €325,000?
I think I would come in a little lower. I think that we've talked about before that it's important to negotiate. I think I would come in a little lower. What do you think?
I agree. It's a high price point. It's not going to go for much less than that. That's what's happening here in Funchal and Madeira right now. You're paying for the quality of finishes here and the location. The finishings are really nice. The building is beautiful. The area is key.
And for that price point, it's not a huge place, but it's enough to look after for 2 people if you don't want a larger space.
And you turn key and walk away.
And you turn key and walk away. So would you buy it?
If we were just looking here for the first time, would you buy it?
I think I would. It's pretty nice sitting out here.
It is beautiful sitting out here. I love having access to the pool. It's very relaxing. I love the area. If this is something that you would be interested in and you want to live in a really happening area, a really modern area of Funchal, and you like the finishings here, let us know. We can hook you up with our realtor. This is an exclusive listing.
Thank you for joining us here on Track Us Down. Thanks for following along. And as usual, check back in and
Track us down.